Annyeonghaseyo, this is Chef David. Welcome to another session with me. Today we are going to cook Sundubu or soft tofu stew. Also another popular dish in Korea. It's really easy to make. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're going to heat the pot, the oil. Okay, onions. Gochugaru, spring onion. Next, the garlic. Okay, followed by the kimchi. Okay, we just fry the kimchi until it's like a little translucent. Okay, now we're gonna add the beef. Now the water. Okay, we let it boil. Fish sauce. Soy sauce. We just cover the lid. Let it boil for about a minute. Okay guys, it's been 1 minute. Let's take a look at the soup, the stew. Wow, it's really boiling. Okay, right now we're going to throw in the tofu. Okay, this is the soft tofu. And we're going to crack an egg. Okay, and then we're going to just pour it in. Now we're going to garnish it with our spring onion, the green portion. Okay guys, there you have it, your spicy tofu stew or Soondubu. Really easy to cook. Enjoy, and I hope to see you